Thank you guys. Wina Jans, we gonna shout out. Thank you. Mag-ano muna ako, mag-tawag nito. Para mag-end na ako. So guys, maraming salamat sa inyong support. Bakal Goya, thank you. Sis Amoren, thank you. Sis Amoren. Sis Rena. At Try It Kitchen. Sis Reka. Zemi. Daddy, Didi, thank you. Luz, thank you, Luz. Black Hazard, thank you, Black Hazard. G-Toys, thank you, G-Toys. Bothouse Family Vlog, thank you. Mamsi TV support, thank you, Mamsi. Maring Runs, thank you, Maring Runs. Random, thank you, Random. To Taco Loco, thank you. Maraming salamat sa nag-support sa aking live. Thank you. KG Driver Vlog. Thank you. Zemik, thank you, Zemik. Abay, thank you, Abay TV. Maraming salamat sa pag-linya ulit. The Nature. It's a Thai family. Thank you, my founder. Follow Mix and my admin, Valsky TV Vlog. Maraming salamat. Lauro Trinidad, thank you, Lauro. This is my promise to you. If the world fades away. Sis Annalen Alederos, thank you, Sis Annalen. My love for you will you are my friend. Life feels heavy when you're feeling small. Oo, gabi na. Gabi na, KG, ba't di mo ako dinakitan? Gabi na dito. Madilim sa labas. Ang dilim. This is my promise to you. Forever I'll see us through. In every moment, near or far, you'll always be my girl. Triple G, thank you, Triple G. Hala, kalimutan ko yung prema. Oo nga, hindi mo ako nakita na. Signature! Hello, Signature! Thank you for dropping here, Signature!